Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lovely Erica, and I'm super excited to be sharing this unboxing slash first impressions with you guys from PROSE. So as you can see, this is the beautiful packaging that it came in. Like, come on, it's so dope. Like, I was so in love when I received this package. Like, it was literally everything to me. Like, I was so impressed. Now y'all know packaging is everything. So pretty much PROSE is a product that's out of New York, and I had the opportunity to get some of their stuff. So I got a hair mask, a shampoo, and a conditioner. And the amazing part about this brand is that they make everything cater to you and your hair type. So what that means is whatever it is, whatever issues you're having with your hair, you take a survey online and they cater the product specifically to you. So I, had the opportunity to use them, and we're gonna, talk all about it, see it, and see kind of what it does to my hair. Pretty much, this video is going to be all about how I was able to achieve a blowout using this product. Was it easily manageable? Was I able to get the blow dryer through my hair? If it made my hair feel good and soft like it said it would do. So here's the card that comes with it. This card shows all the details from your survey and what the ingredients entails in each product that is catered to you. And I just love this card because it just makes it, more easier for me to find out all the information that I needed for my hair. And it's good to see on paper and see the different directions and the ways to use my products properly. So here's a close-up of the products. I just love how they have my name on there. I feel so special. But each one of these tell you exactly what it will do for your hair. So again, shout out to PROSE. I'm so excited to try these products with you guys. So without further ado, don't forget to subscribe and let's get right into it. Alright, first things first, I'm going to go ahead and get my hair damp. Listen, filming in the shower is for the birds. This is so damn hard. I do not know how people do this. So, like, for real. So right now, I'm just getting my hair wet because I'm going to get ready to do the hair mask. So the hair mask is going to come first, and this is pretty much a great way to help bring my hair care routine all together. So it boosts my hair with moisture. Like, literally, I could feel my curls coming back to life. I was able to run my hair through my fingers through each strand, which is, very important. So I'm just going to coat each strand with this hair mask properly, make sure I'm getting it right in there, just so I can make sure that my hair does receive the moisture it needs, and then also it makes my hair a little bit more manageable and ready for the shampooing process. So I'm going to keep this in for 10 minutes, okay? Jam, have a good time in the shower, do what you got to do, and keep that bad boy in for 10 minutes. Alright, so after my enjoyable 10 minutes, I am now going to do the rinsing out process. And you have to be really, really careful with this product. One thing I realized, it's best to keep your eyes closed. I realized that after the fact, but this was so hard to do during filming. I felt like I had to keep my eyes open to see my camera. But either way, you just want to be sure that you're rinsing it out perfectly. And then once you get it all rinsed out, you're going to go into your shampooing process. So all you technically need is about 4 pumps. I feel like I pumped more than 4 times just to show you guys kind of how the product comes out of there. Or maybe I did pump 4 times. Well, that was 3. Oh, 4. Oh snap! I probably went in for another pump. I'm not sure. Anyway, so you want to be sure that your hair is soaked with warm water, which is why it was important for me to kind of do the hair mask first and kind of get my hair a little damp. And then you want to start at the ends and then make the roots and then make your way to the ends. Kind of like what I'm doing here. So I'm properly coating it, getting it scrubbed in, and then I'm kind of working it down the end of my hair shaft. I just want to be sure that each strand, again, is coated properly and getting shampooed well. And now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. I did this 2 times, so be sure to wash twice. Or at least I washed twice because I was in desperate need of a wash. Okay? So now that we went ahead and rinsed out, we're going to go ahead and move on to conditioner. Conditioner, you're supposed to do 4 pumps. I have a lot of hair, and even though it shrinks because it's curly and it's so shrunken, I need a lot of conditioner. So yeah, as you can see, I was pumping away, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and coat each strand again, starting from the root down to the end of the hair shaft, and making sure that I am coating it well with the conditioner. Now, one thing I really liked about the conditioner, it did make my hair really soft. Like, it felt really good as I was applying it through and being able to run my fingers through it, which, you know, is very important. You want to be sure that you can do that. Like, you don't want your hair feeling all brittle and gross. So yeah, anyways, going in with the scalp massage is what I'm doing here. Like, as you can see, I'm enjoying every moment of that. And then after I, you know, give myself some life with that hair massage, I am going to rinse that bad boy out. So some of the things that are, you know, in my products are let's see, argan oil, jojoba oil, fruit vinegars, professional silicone, let's see, vegetable oil, sunflower seed oil. So a few of the things that they added in here that are pretty bomb. And just so you know, the product is sulfate free, paraben free, dye free, mineral oil free, GMO free, and cruelty free. So just some cool little amazing things about the product as well. So then now I am fresh out of the shower. I am about to go in with this blow dry. I do not always use a blow dryer. As you guys know, I prefer to air dry my hair when I wash, but for the sake of the video, I just wanted to see how, you know, this would pretty much work if I went ahead and blow dried. So since PROSE doesn't have any like moisturizing products for like after your hair is washed, I just went in with some leave-in conditioner, and then I'm just gonna go in with like a little moisturizer to get ready to blow dry, and then we're gonna test this whole process out. Alright, so by separating, and of course you don't need the lines to be perfect, I'm starting in the back, and I'm so happy about this comb that I got, you guys, from my Conair blow dryer. Listen, honey, I was on a hunt and I finally found it at Sally's, so hooray for me. And so as you can see, I am blow drying with actually no problems at all. Like, it was really no issue, very easy to go through. I didn't have any like hairballs at the end or anything crazy, so I was very pleasantly surprised with that. So now I'm just going to be blow drying all throughout the rest of this clip here. So yeah, guys, I keep enjoying this blow dry process. And also, I just want to give a shout out to PROSE for sending this to me in October. I wasn't paid to do this video, guys. Okay, you know, I'm here to let you know this is my personal opinion. I'm here to give the real tea, honey. So just know that I really did like this product a lot. So you guys have to check it out. I will keep all the info for you guys in the description bar. But I, you know, wanted to let you guys know that this is my personal opinion. Like, I am in love with this. Change locations on y'all real quick, but I just braided my hair up or whatever, nothing crazy, nothing serious, and throw this hat on. But my hair was super manageable, super easy to braid using, you know, after using the PROSE products. So I really highly recommend these. I definitely think you guys should get your hands on these products. I will keep all the information for PROSE down below so that you guys can check them out. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them down below so that I can answer them for you. And do not forget to subscribe and follow your girl on social media. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Peace.